Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So guys, if you want to get Meta AI on WhatsApp, then how can you do this? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet. And after that guys, just simply scroll it below, and from here guys you are just simply tap on general, tap on VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have a connected VPN, then simply disconnect it. And after that guys, you have to just simply open software update, and from here guys you have to make sure that there is no update on your iPhone. If there have any update, then simply update it first, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, open your WhatsApp and you check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then what we need to do, we have to just simply close this page. Now after that guys, what we need to do, we have to just open App Store, and from here guys you have to just simply tap on search, tap on a search bar, and you have to just simply search for WhatsApp, tap on this. And after that guys, tap on your WhatsApp, and you have to make sure that there is no update on WhatsApp app. If there have any update, then you have to just simply update it first, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.